back with an update on the Chevelle. After getting the converter back and a few attempts at getting the power glide installed, ran into a few problems with the spacing of the converter on it. Get the step-by-step on how to do things. After trial and error, though, fortunately, done. The 400, I started to go through, get an idea of what kind of shape it was in. After reviewing things and going back to the books, I was able to find information on the Turbo 400. Turns out it was a 1973 CJ model, AMC, CF coded. So that's going to work well. Gonna keep it on the shelf for now. Thanks for watching.